Greater than operator. Let's talk about the greater than operator. Greater than operator is also the comparison operator. Example number 16. Print of 2, 4, 7 is greater than 1, 2, 3. When you run it, you will get true. Look, we have used the comparison operator, which is greater than operator. Can we see that this list on the left side is greater than the list on the right side? Yes, absolutely, it is true. Because look, the first element of this list is 2. And the first element of this list is 1. So 2 is greater than 1. The second element of this list is 4. And the second element of this list is 2. Again, 4 is greater than 2. Similarly, 7 is greater than 3. So all the elements of list on the left sides are greater than all the elements of the list on the right side. Therefore, it returns true. It returns true because it is pretty much true. This is the first way of the solution. The second way is you give the variable name x equals to 2, 4, 7 is greater than 1, 2, 3. Check the print of variable x, you will get true in the final output. Let me check the third way of the solution, which is directly put 2, 4, 7 greater than 1, 2, 3. Just simply put this expression in the colab. When you run the program, you will get exactly the same answer true. So it is absolutely up to you whether you use the print function, whether you use the variable name, or whether you type this simple expression in the colab.